Navigating the complexities of logistics can often feel like an overwhelming maze of confusion and inefficiency. At Kögel Trailer GmbH, this challenge has catalyzed a bold leap into the digital world. By optimizing their internal logistics, Kögel has transformed their operations, significantly enhancing efficiency with advanced technology. Jonas Rump, the digital officer, recently embraced Mobile2b, a game-changing digital logistics solution, and the results speak volumes. Transitioning from handheld solutions and paper forms to a sophisticated digital Kanban system has revolutionized their logistics processes. With Mobile2b, Kögel employees can now easily track and manage semi-trailers in real time, driving unprecedented efficiencies. Shunters use GPS and barcode scanning to streamline processes, ensuring every trailer is in its right place with ease. This intuitive app allows employees to customize digital forms effortlessly, making logistics smarter and more responsive. Quick implementation without needing IT expertise brought the power of digital tracking to the fingertips of shunters. Experience the transformative impact of Mobile2b on your logistics. Innovate today for a more efficient tomorrow.